Are you excited to go to Grammy's house?
Yeah,
You've been stuck in this empty house for days and days, huh?
yeah. It's been a long time since we go to Granny's house.
That's
And
right.
this is the day.
And there's so little to do in this house these days except work.
Yeah.
And there's not a lot of work for you kids to do. You've done about all you could do. And so you're going to have a day at Grandma's house. That sounds so fun, huh?
Yeah.
Levi's got his jacket on and ready to go. He's just taking a quick snuggle before he leaves. It's Saturday and we have a big work day going today. Several friends over to help. It's going to be primarily outside yard work day. Two of the guys that are coming are either former or current professional landscapers. So we're going to get this place whipped into shape. The four younger kids all are at Grandma's house today, which is going to be so nice. Just being able to put my head down and not have to worry about them. A lot of activity going on today. I just finished power washing the railing of the deck, got all the moss off because we're going to paint that. We're going to paint it white like the trim of the house. I think that'll look really nice with the brand new deck. What is that called? Face? The deck face. Anyways, and we got some work going on the hedge back there, trying to get that cleaned up. In the front, the gravel driveways are getting all cleaned up. Everything is just getting whipped into shape. Autumn and one of her friends that came to help are up on the roof right now. I can hear them banging around up there because they are cleaning moss off the roof. So we're getting it done. So it's Sunday morning now, and we got so much work done yesterday. It was a very successful work day. Like I showed you, I power washed the railings of the deck, and that was my first time using my husband's little power washer, so that was pretty exciting. And then I also power washed three sides of the shed out in the backyard. Our cute little shed, we're gonna get it all painted and look really nice. It's super cute, so I think people will really like that. But that was extremely tiring, and because I had to like power wash under the eaves, I got soaked, and so I was so cold. But it felt really good to do it. It was very satisfying. You know how power washing is. There's like satisfying power washing videos you can find on YouTube because it's so fun to do and fun to watch. It's almost like painting it because when you power wash it, it looks almost a different color. Does look a different color because it was just so dirty. So that took a really big chunk of my day. And then once it started getting dark, I came in and started working on some painting. I painted the ceiling in the dining room and in the kitchen. And after holding the power washer like up really high, it's not that heavy, but when you're trying to hold it up over your head, it's really exhausting. And then I came in and I painted the ceiling, and so that was more overhead stuff. My arms got a serious workout yesterday. So today on the agenda is I'm going to touch up the ceiling first off, and then paint the walls of the kitchen and the dining room. And the color that we picked out for that is like a soft tan. It's actually the same as what we put in the hallway. I don't think I've showed you that yet, but I painted the hallway day before yesterday or so. All the days are running together. I can't keep it straight. But I am going to see if we can get that painting knocked out. And then we'll be really close on the painting. We just have this room that I'm sitting in right now, which is the upstairs attic room that used to be Autumn and Talia's. My husband and a friend were working on the drywalling last night, and I think they're done with the drywalling in here. It just needs to be sanded, and then it can be painted. And then the bathroom needs to be done, and then just a little bit of touch up in the living room because we just did that recently. So we're getting close on the painting because the two bedrooms are done. I don't know if I showed you that either. They look really nice. I love the colors that we picked. We got like similar colors to what was already there, but lightened it up. The kids' room was a really dark green. When we picked it out originally, I didn't realize it was going to be that dark green. And so we picked a lighter green. And then in the master bedroom, it was a nice gray. I liked the gray that was in there, but we picked an even lighter gray, almost like a country blue color, and it looks really pretty. So I'll show you that here at the end of the video. We're making so much progress. I'm so encouraged by all the help and all the progress we're making, and one step at a time. I'll tell you real quick on our schedule. My husband is going to refinish the floors, the wood floors on Thursday, starting on Thursday afternoon. And we can't stay here when he does that for 2 nights, just because we can't walk on the floors, obviously. And it's not good to breathe in all that stuff. So 3 of the kids are going to go to Grandma and Grandpa's house. And then me and my mom and 2 of the kids are going to go to a hotel and have 2 nights at a hotel. So that's today's Sunday, and so that's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, 4 days. I'm like counting the days until we can go to the hotel and just relax for a little while and take a break. We're going to keep working like crazy for the next 4 days, and then that's like what I'm looking forward to just have a little bit of rest. I'll only have 2 kids with me. Like, that's a vacation right there. So anyways, that's in my mind. That's what I'm working towards right now, besides working towards the house, obviously. But short term, I'm looking forward to that little bit of a break. My arm is like dying just holding my phone here because it's so tired from all the work yesterday. All right, so I will show you here at the end of the video the color on the walls in the hallway and the 2 bedrooms. And then I'll leave it there. So here's the color on the hallway walls, and it's also the same that's going into the kitchen and the dining room. It's just like a soft tan. Obviously still need to do the trim of the doors, but it turned out really nice. I like it. We used to have a darker brown in here, and so we just lightened up the brown. And then in this room, please don't mind the lots of laundry on the ground. Who has time to do laundry when you're renovating your house? All right, let's see if I can get this to show the actual color. It's a grayish blue, kind of a country blue. It looks more gray on the video, at least what I'm seeing right now, than it actually is. It's got a nice blue, soft country blue. That's the light on. I don't know if that helps or not, but it turned out really nice. And then into this other bedroom is where it's more green. It almost looks the same on the video. I hope it comes through, but it is more of a green, but it is also a blue. So if you look at one of the rooms right after the other, this one looks green and that one looks blue. But if you just walked into this one, you might think it looks blue, but it turned out really nice too. I really love this color. I actually saved the name of it and the number from Sherwin-Williams because I would like to use this one again in another room at some point. Hopefully that gives you an idea of the colors we're using. Got a little bit more painting to do, but we're getting really close. There's a peek at the finished deck. I think you saw it already, but just in case, it looks so nice. We're not walking on it at all. My husband already did put sealer on it, but he might need to do another coat once the rain lets up, and then we will paint the railing white as soon as the rain lets up. That's the struggle right now, is we have a part of the house to paint and the railing here to paint, and the rain is not cooperating. Oh yeah, and we also have the shed to paint. I'm not sure if we'll just do the same color that's on there. That's like a brown. But if we do get to choose a new color, I was thinking a cute, like country blue would be really nice because that would just make it look like a little cottage. Everyone always comments on how cute that shed is. And my husband built that just shortly after we moved in, 13 years ago. I got my painting clothes on and I'm about to head into the living room to touch up in there. It should be pretty quick because we just did that. But it does need some touch up because we have a lot of kids and they don't keep things nice. That's why we can't have nice things. Hope you guys are all doing great. Thanks for coming along on this journey with us, and I'll be back again with another video as things continue to unfold.